Apply for Saudi Visa from Dubai, step-by-step guide. Whether it's for tourism or business, applying for a Saudi visa is now easier than ever, thanks to the e-visa program launched as part of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Citizens of 49 eligible countries can apply for a Saudi e-visa or obtain a visa on arrival. If you're not on the list, you can still apply for a consulate visa with help from saudivisa.ae in Dubai. Step 2. Choose the right visa type depending on your travel purpose. Choose between tourist e-visa, multiple entry, valid for 1 year with a 90-day stay per visit. Business visa, single or multiple entry, requires an official invitation letter from Saudi Arabia's foreign ministry. Step 3. Prepare required documents. Here's what you need to apply. Valid UAE residence visa, minimum 90 days validity. Original passport, at least 6 months validity with 2 blank pages. 3 recent passport-size photographs, white background, 3.5 by 4.5 centimeters. Knock letter from employer or self-introduction letter for business owners. Invitation letter for business visa provided by your visa consultant. Confirm return flight ticket and hotel booking. Additional charges may apply for certain nationalities or professions. Step 4. Submit your application. Submit your application through saudivisa.ae. We offer document verification, application form filling assistance, embassy submission, flight and hotel booking support, optional urgent processing with extra fees. Step 5. Visit the embassy if required. As per new rules, personal appearance at the Saudi embassy may be required. Your original passport will be kept at the embassy for visa stamping. Step 6. Receive your visa. Once approved, your Saudi visa will be stamped on your passport. E-visas typically take 1 to 2 working days to process. For a hassle-free experience, consult a trusted visa expert like saudivisa.ae. We can guide you through every step, right from document prep to approval. Visit www.saudivisa.ae for more. Like, share, and subscribe.